young guy, back the up.
Huh? Original radio, baby. Has the Jeep logo and everything.
Right up to the edge here.
Oh yeah, it wasn't this far down.
No, it wasn't. Sweet. Fucking A, dude. Holy hell.
Oh. Oh. Holy.
What the hell? Okay, we gotta turn back around, see if the ambulance knew where they were going. Oh, there they come. You hear them now. It's getting big.
It is. It already came to this side of the fence. Oh. Dude, literally, we drove by 5 seconds ago.
Dude.
We gotta go, dude.
You wanna go this way?
Look at this.
Holy shit. Oh, it's fucking hot.
Dude, it is moving
Alright,
fast.
they're here.
Hey, it's crossing the road up there.
Thank you. Looks like the old LAFD took care of business already. Great job.
Off track, reporting live. On scene with the latest news.
See holes, please leave.
I'll leave, yeah. No problem. Get away from my car and I'll leave. Have a good day. Take it easy, old man. Relax. Hey,
Relax.
Hey.
Relax. Relax.
don't make me get out of this car.
Relax.
Who's a fucking old man?
All right, young guy, back the fuck up. Back the fuck up.
Leave. I'm on my property.
All right.
Leave. So are you.
You're preventing
Leave.
me from. This is not your fucking property.
It is.
All right.
It is.
Yeah.
And it is all the way to that post up there.
Well, there's a fine
dangerous.
gentleman.